PCT. Today is a very misty morning. Let me view the sun is just starting to clear up all the rain. We had a pretty long night. It was very stormy. We had a pretty good pace going yesterday. We stopped off at the malt shop, which is a pretty popular stopping place for people. They serve like breakfast, lunch, and dinner all day long. So we got some burgers, and I got a vitamin water to help replenish. It's easy to get dehydrated out of here, and it was such a gorgeous day. They were calling for rain, so we were trying to, try to make some of our mileage in the morning hours, and we did pretty good, especially when we were fueled up. But the rain did catch up with us about, 3 o'clock or so. So we found a place to make camp, and it was a pretty long night, to be honest, but it got pretty cold. But we were nice and cozy. The wind was pretty. I'll show you a clip here. But there was a lot of water in my tent this morning. We were kind of on a exposed area, like near a valley, but we were nowhere near close enough to kind of find more coverage. So we camped out, and it was beautiful spot if it hadn't have been raining. But the sun's come out this morning, so it's gonna stay in the lower temperatures, which is perfect hiking weather. We have done about, day one was 15 miles. Yesterday it was about 13. So we're shooting for Mount Laguna today. We should get there. I don't think anything's open, but they do have some charging, so it'd be nice to get everything charged up again. Maybe stop and have a nice lunch break there and kind of just keep on going about our day. It's perfect weather for layering up just a bit this morning. I think as the sun comes out more, I'll probably shed a bit, but excited to be out here. It's a quick adjustment. I feel like I'm already kind of getting my trail legs back and enjoying the scenery. Out here it's a lot different. I knew it could get cold in the evenings. I didn't realize it could get as cold as it can, especially when you add the rain. So it's a lot different than rain in the Smokies, but we got through it. So day 3, but I'll check in soon and see you up trail.